Coming up next, we'll talk live with a local infectious disease specialist to find out just how contagious COVID-19 really is and what should we know about prevention techniques.
And COVID-19, as we have been reporting, is very contagious. The main reason it's so important to practice social distancing and even isolation in some cases.
Right now, we're talking to an infectious disease specialist. Joining us live via Skype is Dr. Suman Radhakrishna of Dignity Health California Hospital. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your time. So tell us why it's so important to limit our exposure and avoid going to these crowded places with so many people around.
Thank you for having me. And this is social distancing. We can still communicate with each other without having to be sitting next to each other. And the reason why we want to stay away from each other is because when we speak, we sneeze, we cough, these organisms get into the air by aerosol spread. And if people are in the vicinity, they can inhale the organism and get infected. Or the droplets, when they fall on surfaces, we touch it and touch our face and eyes and mouth, then we end up with infections.
What is it that makes COVID-19 more infectious than the flu?
COVID-19 seems to be very contagious. There's a big chunk of people who have very little symptoms or no symptoms. And those are the people who are most likely to transmit it because they are infected. They're talking, smiling, laughing, sneezing maybe occasionally. That's why it's so contagious.
And do we know exactly how it spreads?
We know for sure that it is by aerosol and droplet.
Okay.
We've also found that patients with COVID-19 also excreted in their stool, and it's on the surfaces everywhere of the room where they are cared for. But that doesn't seem to be as important as direct contact to our mucous membranes.
Okay, Dr. Suman Radhakrishna from Dignity Health California Hospital. We appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
All right,
Oh,
thank
you're
you.
welcome.
And
Thank you.
with so many people.